G'day Australia, Coram E here. Today I'm at my Audiocom mobile electronics store in Balcatta, Western Australia, where the guys are putting together this package for William F of Parkdale in Victoria, who has just bought this amazing little rig. Let me show you what it is. So we retail a bunch of these speaker DIY packs on the website, universalfuze.com.au, and we fulfill those from our Audiocom stores in Western Australia. William F has bought a set of the MTX TX4 coaxial speakers for the rear of his Hilux. These are a banging set of speakers. They work well off head unit power, but most appropriately powered with a small amplifier, 50 to 60 watts RMS, maybe up to 75 RMS. These things will sing for you. Now, what William F got was a full DIY package for the rear doors of his Hilux. So plug and play speaker adapters that'll connect to the factory speaker connections, so he doesn't have to do any solderings, and he doesn't have to do any solderings, and that'll piggyback straight on. I've thrown myself off now. They'll plug straight onto the back of the MTX TX4 coaxial speakers. Now, this mounting kit is required for the Hilux front or rear doors. If you're going to put an aftermarket speaker in, you need to use this aftermarket speaker mounting adapter, which gives you a cool little weather shield to go over the back of the magnet of the speaker to protect it, but also it gives you the right mounting depth and a solid ABS plastic seal. There's little reinforcing ribs there. It's a really, really solid way to mount the speaker and let it accurately and correctly project the sound off the mounting into the cabin as audio. Now, here's the key point of difference. This you can only get from Universalfuze. Let's look in the packet there. This is a rear speaker activation harness. Now, Toyota, in their infinite wisdom, didn't put the rear speaker wiring in for half the car in most Toyota Hiluxes. If your back doors do not currently have a rear speaker in them from factory, you will need that little harness. There are wires in the doors, so when you pull the door apart, it looks like the wires are there, but they're not linked between the kick panel and the audio unit in your car. So you need this little link cable, available from universalfuze.com, as to link the rear speaker wires up that are in your rear doors through to the audio unit. There's some information on the website on where they plug in and connect. We've got a good little diagram that'll help you get that plugged in and done. So this complete pack is going to let William F DIY an excellent set of speakers into the back of his Hilux with the link cable to run off the factory head unit. So everything's plug and play, linked up together, doesn't have to do any solderings, and he can get it all done DIY on the weekend with a beer in his hand. If you are looking for a good solid audio upgrade for your car, we have got tons and tons of gear in stock at all the Audiocom stores in Western Australia. We can build up any sort of package and solution for you. Have a look at all the pre-packs on the website, universalfuze.com.au, or contact the Audiocom stores wherever you are in Australia. Give us a bell. We can put together a pack for you and ship it out. No problem at all. Thank you very much for watching. Great to see you as always. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Hope you learned something here today, and we'll see you again soon.